Got Roman Candle Assorted Effects by Cutting Edge. They got Blue Thunder. This one's by Cutting Edge.
Different than the other one?
World class. The other one's world class.
Oh, sweet. All right.
Damn. Yeah, it's louder. That's different. That's just color, I guess. Yep.
All right.
Flashing Thunder Candle by World Class. Flashing Thunder with loud reports. Not as loud as the Blue Thunder.
No.
Still loud though.
Yeah, it's still
Done.
They got a curve on it.
Yeah. Alright, Color Thunder by Cutting Edge. You got color to it. Anyway, Crackling Candle by Cutting Edge.
The hell was that? I don't know. That was
Roman Candle with tail.
just one look how.
Yeah. Roman
Only
Candle
live
with
once.
tail. Cutting Edge.
The fireworks do anyway. Yeah.
No, it's just color.
They're just color, yeah.
That's it.